so it's over now. Guess I'm gonna talk about stuff. I can't really talk about. I mean, I can. So I did the AMC 10B this week, and I didn't do as well as I thought, but that's fine. That's fine. This contest was a bit sad too, but like, let's see how people did the last problem. Gaha. It's confusing. Okay, so it's not like a super trivial problem. That makes me feel a bit better. Oh, I should probably watch this person. Yeah, it's kind of sad. You know, it's fine. I solved 3 problems decently fast. Yeah, 14 minutes, so that's pretty good. And then I spent an hour and 16 minutes on the 4th problem. So, well, what else am I gonna say? It's good to do LeetCode after a week of not doing LeetCode. And last week I said that it felt like a long time since it was LeetCode. But now maybe today it's gonna feel like there's too much, or more at least. Yep. This has made me feel fine. It's not. I don't feel very sad. It's pretty good. So where do I stack? How do you get 13? That's weird. What? That's weird. So, bro, I spent too long on the first problem. First problem was sad, but it was a good problem. Yeah. It's pretty easy because doesn't require a lot of time because it's just log. And this, I thought subarray might mean non-contiguous, so like you could pick 11, 17, 5, 3 or something. Yeah, it doesn't matter. This is pretty easy. Like, I would like to know how number 4 works. I'll probably find out. We'll probably find out after I record this and speed it up because this is going to have to be sped up. The first part at least, because I'm not talking. So maybe I should speed up all of the contests, but maybe not. No, not weeklies, because weeklies I can talk, but these I can't talk. Maybe it's because I can't talk that I actually didn't fail. I should probably cut out a lot of the silence. But yeah, okay, that's all.